Hi my dear traders, and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad to see you once again in today's new video. So today I'm going to be trading with the OTC currency pairs, and I'm going to be applying technical analysis on them because it's the only applicable technical tool that can be used while trading with OTC currency pairs, because fundamental analysis is not applicable. I'm going to try and find very good entry points on the market today and try and hit my goal for today. I'll start with a deposit of $52 and try and hit my goal for today, which is around $3,000 to $4,000, and hopefully I'm able to hit it by the end of this video, so stay tuned. And also at the end of the video I'll be withdrawing my money. I'll be leaving a withdrawal request and I'll show you how to do it. And also I'm asking you to join my private chat in Telegram channel, because in this channel I post about binary news. I also reply and answer questions concerning binary news and also post my trading signals. So if you'd like to join, go under this video, there is a link. That link is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat, or you can find me in Telegram using this username. Join this private chat, ask all your questions, interact with the other members of the group, and also use my trading signals to make very good profit on your own. And also don't forget to support this channel, and the only way to do that is by giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe down below to this channel. So let me get started. So here I'm going to open a trade for 1 minute immediately, because I can see a horizontal line along the lower values of these candlesticks, since there is a support level here, and at the same time I can see that the price has an excellent potential for a fall. So here you can see that the price started to go beyond this level, and this is where I opened a trade for a fall. I'm thinking that this level will be broken through very soon, and this price will continue to move down here, and the price highs are getting lower, and I'm hoping that in this case 1 minute will be enough time for this, and I'll be able to make very good profit on this downward movement. So let me wait and see the results. So this is excellent. As you can see, the pullback up happened here, the downward movement continued, and there was a downward impulse here. There was even a gap between the candles, and you can see that I made very good profit from this downward movement. So this is a very good start. So let me go on and find another situation. So here you can see that there was a good and confident downtrend, and also I can see that there was the level of support here. You can see that after the touching the level, there was an upward pullback, and after this pullback you can see that the price turned around and is approaching our level again. So in this case I suggest opening a trade for a fall for 2 minutes, because I think that the price will continue to move towards this level very soon, and I'm thinking that it's quite possible that this level may be broken through in the near future. So this trade was really excellent. As you can see, the price pulled back up and then continued to move towards this level. I was able to make very good profit in this trade. You can see that this level has not yet been broken through yet, and I'm thinking that it's going to happen quite soon. So I want to open the next trade here. I'm going to be opening it again for a fall. I'll open it for 2 minutes, because at the same time I can see that there is a clear compression of the support level here. So I'm hoping that this time will be enough time for this downward movement. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So this was quite good. As you can see, the price continued to move down. This was where I made very good profit, and just at the moment you can see that the level is breaking through, and 2 minutes was enough time for this, and you can see that I managed to make very good profit 2 times in a row on this currency pair, first on the approach of the level and the breakthrough of the level. So let me find my next entry point. Well, here you can see we have the resistance level at the top here. You can see that after the touching of the level, there was a pullback down here, and now the price turned around and is approaching our level again. You can see that the main price lows are getting higher. So in this case, I'm going to be opening a trade for a rise for 3 minutes, because I can see that the price has a good potential for a rise here, and I think that it will continue to move towards the level. I'm using 3 minutes here as the time for trading, taking into account the possible trades that may occur. So So this is excellent. As you can see, the price continued to move up, and here I was able to make very good profit. So 3 minutes was enough time for this trade. You can see after touching the level, there was a pullback down and there was a reaction from the resistance level. So let me go on. So here we have the level of support here. You can see that after the second touch of the level, there was an upward pullback, and after the pullback, there was a reversal. You can see that a red candlestick is forming. So here I'm going to be opening a trade for 3 minutes down because I'm thinking that the price has good potential for a fall. You can see that the main price highs are going lower, and it's likely that the price will continue to move towards this level, and it's quite possible that in the near future this level will be broken through. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So this trade was quite interesting. As you can see, this was quite a high volatility in the market. You can see that the price moves impulsively, and during these 3 minutes, you can see that there was an upward pullback, after which price turned around and continued to move towards this level. So let me go on. So here you can see that there was an upward movement. You can see that at the same time, after the touching of the resistance level, there is a pullback that occurred, and at the moment, you can see that the price is moving in the trading zone. You can see that there was a certain fading here, and in this case, I'm going to be opening a trade for a raise for 3 minutes here because I think that the price will turn around soon and continue to move up because I can see that the price has a very excellent potential for a rise, and you can see that the price moved up to the level with confident green candlesticks, and you can see that there was almost no red candlesticks. So let me wait and see the results for this trade. So this is good. As you can see, the price was moving in the trading zone, but after that the upward movement still continued and I made very good profit. So I'm thinking of opening the next trade here. I'm going to open a trade again for a raise for 3 minutes since the price has not yet touched the resistance level. I'm thinking it will happen very soon. So let me try and make very good profit on this upward movement. So this is excellent. As you can see, the price continued to move towards the level and I made very good profit from this trade. I managed to make money on this upward movement, and 3 minutes was enough time for this trade. And meanwhile, you can see I have almost $4,000 in my deposit, and I would like to stop here for today. I would like to leave a withdrawal for a request since I've already completed my plan for today. So to do this, you need to click the output button in the upper right corner, and after that we can get to the withdrawal menu. Here in the upper column, you need to set the amount that will be withdrawn. I'll leave a request for $3,900, and then next I'll open this tab and select Binance Pay as I'll be withdrawing my funds to the Binance platform. Then I'm going to fill in my name in the following columns. Then I'll open the next tab, and here you need to select the Binance account ID or the Binance account email. I'll choose Binance account email. Then in the following graph that appears, you need to insert this very email into it. So after all these boxes are filled in, you can click the confirm button. So right now you can see that my application request has been accepted. It will be reviewed very soon, and as soon as the money reaches my Binance account, I'll show you how to withdraw it and where it's credited to. So right now I'm currently on the Binance platform and the funds have already been credited to my account, and I'd like to show you how to do this. And to do this, I'm going to be opening this menu. I'll select the transaction history from the list. You can see that the page is loading now. Then I'll select the payment history, and after that I'm going to open the tab. Here I'm going to select what we received. After that I'm going to click the search button, and you can see here this is my last payment that just occurred. And taking a closer look, you can click on the details button. As you can see, there was a deposit of $3,900 to my account, and you can see that it took less than 2 hours from the moment that I made an application for my Quotex platform to the moment when the money was credited to my Binance platform. So you can see it was quite easy. The funds have been received in full, as you can see the total amount here. So this means that the Quotex platform works quite perfectly, and you can see that the funds are withdrawn without any problems, while the applications are processed fairly quickly. But this depends on the Quotex platform. Sometimes it takes some time, but it still be withdrawn as long as you leave a request, it will still be reviewed and all your funds will be withdrawn into your wallet. I've always used the Quotex platform to withdraw without any hiccups or any problems, so it's quite reliable to use and it's quite comfortable to use to withdraw your money. So I hope this information was quite useful for you. So as you saw, it's quite easy to trade on OTC currency pairs. It's not complicated as it seems. You can apply technical analysis on them. If you don't know much about technical analysis, check out my previous videos on my channel. You'll find videos about technical analysis and you can learn about it and practice it on your own, because it's a very useful tool to use in all trades. And also, if you have questions concerning today's trades, I'm asking you to join my private chat in Telegram channel. If you'd like to join this private chat, go under this video, there is a link. That link is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat, or you can find me in Telegram using this username. Join this private chat, ask all your questions, interact with the other members of the group, and also use my trading signals to make very good profit on your own. And also, if you would like to support my channel and you like all my videos, the only way to do that is by giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe down below to this channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when there's a new video up. So thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.